Hello everyone. Today I will explain you how to multiply two numbers in Python using user input. Let's start. Click on new file. First I will take user input. For that I am writing the code. So with the help of input function we can take the input, but that input is in string format. So I want to convert that input into an integer format, so you have to write int here. So whatever you are taking input, it will convert into an integer. Now I'm taking another input. The same procedure will apply for the second input as well, because we are taking integer number to multiply two numbers. In Python, you don't need to declare variable type. It automatically assumes what kind of variable you are assigning. Here we are taking input, so by default all the input is in the form of string. So I want to convert that string into integer format. That's why I have written int. Now I have to calculate the result. I can directly print the result in the print num1 asterisk num2. That's it. So we'll get multiplication. Now I'm saving this file. The extension of Python files is py. Now I'm executing. Forty-five, 67. So you will get, so it's a very big number, so it's not very much clear to us. So again I am running this program just to confirm that my result is correct. 5 and 6, and you'd get 30. I hope now it's clear to you how to take input in Python and execute the code